First up this hour, just minutes before she was heading to Amethi from Lucknow, Republic TV spoke to Union Minister Smriti Irani. Now, Smriti Irani, who is once again contesting from the seat of Amethi, she hit at Rahul Gandhi and also mentioned the Republic TV super investigation that revealed Rahul Gandhi's alleged links to the 2G and the NSCL scam accused. Now, Smriti Irani has called Rahul Gandhi as a mute spectator.
The Republic Media Network has shown how Rahul Gandhi is linked with corrupt people. He has got links with 2G scam accused. How do you see this, ma'am?
It is not surprising.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the Congress party...
Let me just finish. It is not surprising that Shri Rahul Gandhi and Srimati Vadra are once again found with their hand in the cookie jar, specially found with economic relationships with 2G accused and various scamsters. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party needs to answer to the entire nation. Why is it that while the nation was being looted, Rahul Gandhi chose to be a mute spectator? Is it because his political support was bought by scamsters?
How is he going to
Ma'am,
face
the
people of
Congress
Amethi
party
now?
is saying that Rahul Gandhi's decision of contesting from 2 seats has come citing public demand because there was a demand from the Kerala cadre as well. The party
For
cadre
me,
is
it is
divided.
not important where and why he's fighting. What is important for everybody in the country to know is that the Congress Karyakarta in Amethi has given it in writing that Rahul should seek another seat. That is significant because the Congress worker in Amethi knows that Rahul does not enjoy popular support. But more than that today, what is important is a question that I ask again. 2G के घोटाले के वक्त जब देश की तिजोरी लूटी जा रही थी, तब क्या राहुल ने ऐसे लुटेरों को मात्र इसलिए समर्थन दिया क्योंकि उनको और श्रीमती वाड्रा को आर्थिक लाभ हुआ? पूरी मीडिया के सामने कुछ ऐसे दस्तावेज आए हैं जिसके अंतर्गत ये स्पष्ट है कि राहुल जी ने और श्रीमती वाड्रा ने, कांग्रेस के इन 2 प्रमुख नेताओं ने 2G के घोटाले में लिप्त घोटालेबाजों के साथ आर्थिक व्यवस्था में खुद दस्तखत करके लाभ पाया है। राहुल जी क्यों चुप्पी साध कर बैठे हैं? क्यों जब देश लुटता रहा राहुल जी तमाशा देखते रहे? इसका जवाब अभी तक कांग्रेस पार्टी ने नहीं दिया है।
Well, we have Piyush joining in at this point in time. Piyush, when we were speaking to Smriti Irani, now she seems to be quite confident when it comes to the seat of Amethi because now she says that Rahul Gandhi doesn't enjoy the popular support as once he used to, and that is the very reason why he's shifting base to Wayanad today, where he will be filing nominations. But Piyush, if we talk about the Republic TV expose, the 2 days that we carried out, his alleged links to scamsters, this is one story that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party have been at a loss of any sort of an explanation.
Well, exactly, Amita, and that's why it seems that Rahul Gandhi is absolutely silent. He is, absolutely moved on the kind of investigation which Republic TV has done. Remember, we have been showing to our viewers that how Rahul Gandhi has got links with the 2G scam accused. But, it's been 2 days and there's no explanation coming in from Rahul Gandhi. But today, Smriti Irani, who is contesting against Rahul Gandhi from Amethi, she is here in Amethi. She has now made a very big attack on Rahul Gandhi by saying that Rahul Gandhi was supporting all these 2G accused people just because he was having business relations with them. So indeed, a big attack coming in from Smriti Irani. Remember, this is a big attack after yesterday's press conference done by Arun Jaitley, in which Arun Jaitley had also hit back at Rahul Gandhi and asked him to explain. And today, Smriti Irani, while she is in Amethi, when Rahul Gandhi is also in Wayanad, where he is going to file his nomination, Smriti Irani is in Amethi to campaign for BJP. And just before going for campaigning, she spoke to Republic TV, where she asked Rahul Gandhi need to explain kind of allegations are. We have to explain the kind of investigation which Republic Media Network has done. Now we'll have to wait and watch. Rahul Gandhi is today in Wayanad. Is he going to speak on the kind of allegations that are now leveled on him? Will he be, again playing as a new dispatcher? So indeed, there are many answers which Rahul Gandhi need to give to the people of this nation.
Absolutely. So that is the reason why there is nothing coming from Rahul Gandhi's side or even the Congress side and Smriti Irani making those allegations that Rahul Gandhi is just a mute spectator. Thanks very much for joining us, Piyush. We move on.